Welcome. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable the Make Follow primary feature on LinkedIn using your PC. This new update lets you set follow as the main action on your profile, making it easier for people to connect with your content and grow your professional network. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see your profile picture, or the Me icon. Click on it to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to your account settings, where you can control various aspects of your LinkedIn experience. On the left-hand side, you'll see several options. Click on Visibility. This section allows you to manage how others see your activity and profile details. Within the Visibility menu, scroll down and find the Followers option. Click on it to access your follower settings. Here, you'll see the option labeled Make Follow Primary. This setting lets you change the main button on your profile from Connect to Follow, which is especially useful if you want to build an audience or share content more broadly. To enable this feature, simply toggle the switch next to Make Follow Primary. Once activated, visitors to your profile will see Follow as the primary action instead of Connect. This small change can make a big difference in how you engage with your LinkedIn community and how others interact with your profile. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the Make Follow primary feature on LinkedIn. Now, your profile is optimized to attract more followers and boost your presence on the platform. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who want to get the most out of LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.